Breaking news, the SEC now filing suit against Coinbase in Manhattan federal court.
Governor Hochul deciding to ban certain types of cryptocurrency mining in New York for the next 2 years.
Lawmakers in New York passing a bill early this morning to ban certain Bitcoin mining operations in the state.
A New York couple has been arrested and charged for allegedly conspiring to launder $4.5 billion in stolen cryptocurrency.
Today, New York State passes a bill banning Bitcoin mining for 2 years.
Banking titans like JP Morgan, Citi, and Goldman Sachs think they have a solution. They want to push the American financial system into the next generation, and they need to borrow a tool from crypto, blockchains.
Chopped cheese, anyone? New York, often recognized as a global financial hub, has implemented strict cryptocurrency regulations, creating challenges for residents, like you, seeking to enter the cryptocurrency space. These regulatory measures are primarily enforced by the New York State Department of Financial Services, NYDFS, to safeguard consumers and ensure the integrity of financial markets, or what I like to call gatekeeping. New York's BitLicense framework, introduced in 2015, mandates that businesses engaging in virtual currency activities obtain a special license. The application process for BitLicense is known for its complexity and tight requirements, which can be a deterrent for startups and smaller cryptocurrency businesses. Several popular cryptocurrency exchanges have chosen not to operate in New York due to the regulatory demands imposed by the NYDFS. As a result, residents often have a reduced selection of exchanges to choose from, limiting their access to various digital assets. Some exchanges that initially served New Yorkers have ceased their operations in the state due to regulatory challenges and uncertainties, leaving users with fewer options for cryptocurrency trading. Despite these obstacles, there still are reputable cryptocurrency exchanges that have successfully navigated New York's regulatory landscape and obtained the necessary licenses to provide services to residents of the state. These exchanges prioritize compliance and security while offering New Yorkers a means to participate in the cryptocurrency market. Here are a few of those exchanges. For number one, we have Coinbase. Probably the most popular crypto exchange right now in the world, Coinbase is a widely recognized and user-friendly exchange that has secured regulatory approvals to operate in New York. It provides a straightforward platform for buying, selling, and storing various cryptocurrencies that anyone new can get into. For number two, we have Gemini. Founded by the Winklevoss twins, Gemini is a New York-based exchange fully regulated by the NYDFS. It offers a secure and user-friendly experience, making it an excellent choice for residents looking to invest in crypto. And for the last number on the list, number three, we have Bitstamp. Bitstamp is a European-based exchange that has obtained a BitLicense to serve New York residents. It offers a platform for trading major cryptocurrencies with a focus on safety and security. These exchanges have undergone the necessary regulatory processes and hold the required licenses to operate within New York. New Yorkers should conduct thorough research and ensure they choose exchanges that align with their specific needs and investment goals while complying with the state's cryptocurrency regulations. We may not have access to all the other cool exchanges out there as New Yorkers, but thankfully we have a few trusted ones we can count on. One of the biggest things that we should cover is taxes. It's important to be aware of the games the IRS can or will play with your funds. For example, a lot of people getting into crypto don't know that currently in the States, converting coins from one to another is a taxable event. So that means if you are swapping from Ethereum to Bitcoin because it looks shinier and cooler to you, well, that's considered a taxable event. I remember when I first started, I was doing this all the time. But thankfully, you can write off your losses, which is usually what the best decision is to do. This is not financial advice, and you should always consult with a tax professional and all that jazz. Managing your cryptocurrency transactions can be a challenging endeavor because of the complexity and sheer volume of activities involved in the crypto market. Whether you're buying, selling, trading, staking, or participating in various blockchain-related activities, manually keeping track of every transaction is a recipe for errors, inaccuracies, and potential headaches. This is where bookkeeping softwares like Coinly comes into play. Now, this video is not sponsored by Coinly, but it's what I've been using to save me the crypto headaches. It automates the tracking and recording of all your crypto transactions across different exchanges and wallets, ensuring precision and organization. Here are some key reasons why this is indispensable. Cryptocurrency transactions can be numerous and intricate, involving various assets and actions. Manual record keeping often leads to mistakes and confusion. Coinly ensures every transaction is accurately recorded and well organized. Tax authorities in many countries now require individuals to report cryptocurrency holdings and transactions for tax purposes. Failing to do so correctly can result in legal and financial consequences. Coinly helps calculate capital gains, losses, and tax liabilities, ensuring you comply with tax regulations. Effective portfolio management is essential for informed investment decisions. Coinly offers a clear overview of your cryptocurrency holdings and their current values. This insight helps you assess the performance of your investments and make informed decisions. Cryptocurrency markets operate around the clock, and prices can change rapidly. Coinly provides real-time insights into your portfolio's current value, enabling you to monitor market fluctuations and make timely decisions. Cryptocurrency transactions often span extended periods. Coinly stores historical data, ensuring access to complete transaction records whenever you need them. This is invaluable for audits or tracking long-term investment performance. Manually managing cryptocurrency transactions can introduce security risks. Trusted bookkeeping softwares like Coinly typically includes robust security measures to safeguard your transaction data, reducing the risk of data breaches. Reporting cryptocurrency holdings and transactions to tax authorities or financial institutions can be a daunting task. Coinly simplifies this process with comprehensive reports that can be easily shared with tax professionals or authorities. With software like Coinly handling your cryptocurrency transactions, you gain peace of mind. You can focus on your investment strategies and financial goals without the burden of complex manual record keeping. In essence, bookkeeping software such as Coinly is an invaluable companion for anyone navigating the cryptocurrency market. Again, not sponsored, but a big suggestion with an affiliate link below if you register for an account. As the cryptocurrency ecosystem continues to mature and gain broader acceptance, it is plausible that regulatory approaches will adapt and evolve as well. New York's regulations, while strict, have also served as a benchmark for discussions on cryptocurrency regulation at the national and international levels. The generation of New York regulations for crypto stands as a significant milestone in the broader global conversation on how to regulate and integrate cryptocurrencies into the traditional financial system. It highlights the complexities and challenges of creating a regulatory framework that addresses the unique characteristics of digital assets while upholding the principles of transparency, security, and consumer protection. Ultimately, the path forward for cryptocurrency regulations in New York and beyond will likely involve ongoing dialogue, collaboration between industry stakeholders and regulators, and a commitment to striking the right balance between innovation and compliance. The story of cryptocurrency regulation is far from over, and it will continue to shape the future of finance in the digital age. But what do you think? Does New York have a strong future for crypto? Subscribe, leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.